Introducing Twisty Tube Rack. A versatile solution for all your laboratory needs. Why should you use it? This innovative rack accommodates tubes ranging from 0.2 ml PCR tubes to 0.5 ml and 1.5 ml MCTs. It has molded indexing for quick and accurate retrieval of tubes. The blue section holds 96 PCR tubes of 0.2 ml and 48 tubes of 1.5 ml on the other side, while the purple section holds 48 tubes of 0.5 ml and reverse side holds 1.5 ml tubes. It can withstand a temperature of -80 degrees Celsius to 121 degrees Celsius. It is rotatable and customizable to suit lab-specific requirements. What should you use it for? Ideal for dilution and concentration of samples. Perfect for PCR and qPCR workflows. Convenient for sample storage, transfer and organization. To know more about this product, please visit our website www.abdoslifesciences.com.
Abdos Life Sciences. Advancing science with quality.